the online version. I'll start the simulation, show you what it does. So when I press this button, it'll do the SOS signal. So you had your 3 fast, now you have your 3 slow. Yep. So you can see that this button, these two things, terminal A and terminal 1, or terminal A and terminal 2, A, not B, are connected, or not connected, but they're on the same kind of line as this. You have a 2 here connected to the button, and you have a resistor here. This one is 10K, and this one's a 220, the same one we used earlier. You have your ground and your voltage, the same as usual, 13, and basically the light is the exact same, 13. But it's important to remember that you not only need to get this side powered up, you need to get this side as well. And to do that, you're going to want to connect the wires up like this, positive to positive, and connect this thing to this side, and you can connect this side to this side. You can also connect a wire, the bottom to this side, but you can, I just felt like doing it like this because it was easier to there. And I actually made the mistake of having this wire here connected to this side here, and that literally messed it all up, so make sure you don't do that. Yeah, here is the code for it. You have initial button state, so that's like if the button is on or not, and so basically make sure you turn it off. It wasn't working at start, so I made another one, so turning it off. So basically now you're reading the button, you're reading the state of 2. 2 is kind of like the on and off for the button. It's where its power is coming from. So if button stays high, basically play SOS signal. This is actually the same SOS signal I used at the very start. And at the end, turn off pin 13 and turn off button state. And then this, as it says, delay a little bit to improve simulation performance. It's not that complicated. I'd say it's more complicated when you get into the actual wiring. So I'll show you my actual circuit now. So here's the actual one. Let me actually just get it running quickly. Just gotta go to the Arduino, as I showed you earlier, and upload that. Or not earlier, like a couple seconds ago, for you guys, but not for me. Okay, so you can see it blink, so that means it's working. Let me just turn it on. Clicking the button. 1, 2. Yep, it's working just as it should. So same wiring, exact same wiring actually. So I really wanted to make sure this worked. 5 volts, positive, ground, negative, resistor, LED. Wow, that resistor is being really stretched right there. Over here you have the same thing over here with that one wire going all the way across, connecting the power for the positives. Then you have that one connected to the left side. Remember, it's the left. Another one to the right, or switched. You have to make sure they're on opposite sides, or else it won't work. Okay. And make sure you have that resistor there again, so there's not too much power flowing into the button. Yeah, I'll play it one more time.